Hello everyone. Uh, Hope you are well and good. For the painting, I will use 12x10 canvas. It's easily available in the local shops, and it's around 80 rupees only. Let's apply the masking tape in the border. I like the border to be clean and visually appealing. So after this, I did the subject. Now let's paint the background first. I will add the background first to make the subject pop out very easily. I will blend the background from dark shade to the light shade. I am using flat brushes for blending. Flat brushes of 1 and 3 is good enough for this size canvas, and I am using pointed brushes for the details. Just focus on the blending. It will add a very good quality visual effect. After the background is over, I will start with the hoodie, and I will take a little extra time to draw the hoodie because it will provide a very good and 3D effect to the painting. That is called a realistic effect. I'm blending the dark shade to the light, then the light shade to the dark. I'm just doing the experiment. Then I got the reference of the image that I'm doing from the channel Draw with Vishal, and in the first look it was so good that I made my mind to do this painting. Actually, the headphone part, that headphone part is the cherry on the top. It provide a better concept of being realistic, at the same time being very creative in the subject. Then I will suggest you to blend it very well, that it will provide a very realistic look. Then after doing the hoodie, I'll go to the headphone part, and I'm very much looking forward to do this headphone because it's attract and add a value to that painting. Then after doing the headphone, I'll do the mask. Now the headphone part is over. Then I'm going to do the mask, and I'm adding 3 to 4 colors with red color for better visual effect, and I'm doing this to add a curve and a texture to the mask, that realistic look. Then after doing this base color, I will go to the with pointed brushes, and will do the detail part. I'm adding some white color to it to summarize the effect. The eye is over. Now I'm going to do the outline, and here focus on the stability of the hand. You should focus very well on the stability of the hand while doing the outline. And here the best part is the color selection, as here the yellow color in the shirt is popping out very well, that add a 10 times visual effect on the painting. And it's all about the color selection in the subject. Now after doing some blending here and there, the painting is ready. I will unmask the masking tape from the canvas. And thank you for watching my videos. Hello everyone,